Linking your bank to Keeper Security can enhance your financial management and security. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open Keeper Security. Launch the Keeper Security app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option related to linking bank accounts or financial services. Step 3. Select your bank. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your banking information securely. This may include your username, password, and any additional verification steps required by your bank. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your banking credentials, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to complete the linking process. By following these steps, you can effectively link your bank account to Keeper Security, enhancing your financial security and management capabilities.